Greetings everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called NachoNacho and this is the best business to business SaaS marketplace. So if you are looking for some platform for your business which is B2B and software as a service marketplace related, this is a gold mine for you. So to access it, you can simply head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive free benefits and rewards. So do not miss out on that, guys. Okay, we are on as main dashboard, or you can say main page. I have entered a keyword already, if you don't know, and it is marketing. Now it will be showing results for this particular keyword. Let me type in here marketing again so you can have a better idea. You can see now these are filtered, and all of these are basically the softwares that you could utilize to enhance your business to business or software as a service campaigns. So we can see we have video marketing center, we have audience connect, and so more, so on and so forth. So yeah, on the left side of your screen you can see the collections, you have your categories, and if you want to have some more knowledge about the site, you can even head over to their support team. So on the top you can see the service marketplace, and the service categories are literally so much, and you can see the accounting and finance. If you are related to any of these niche, like for example HR, hosting, and governance and risk compliance, anything you name it will potentially be available in here. Now if you talk about the solutions it provides, it have managed SaaS, discover, discounts, and much more. So if you talk about its pricing, it starts from $0 for the starters package, and if we talk about premium, it is $5 for each user per month. The number of user increases, the number of price or the total price also increases, and for enterprise you need to contact them. And yeah, so this was pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did so, you can head over to the link in the description to simply access NachoNacho, which is the best B2B marketplace. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. Until then, take care.